As the paper moves rapidly through the drying tunnels, computerized tension controls make continuous adjustments.
A marca d'água está perfeita.
Sim, e a microimpressão está nítida. Podemos prosseguir.
The alignment looks perfect. We're holding the 2-micron tolerance.
Good. Maintain the current feed rate. Authorized retrieval systems activate as bundles are prepared for distribution. Circulation begins its journey. All containers cleared for entry sequence.
Acknowledged. Manifests confirmed. Initiating transfer to main vault.
Do Banco Central aos pontos mais distantes da nação, o real está em constante movimento, sustentando nossa vibrante economia.
Notes are stacked into uniform bundles as conveyors merge streams. Compression plates pulse rhythmically. Volume transforms into structure.
Security lives in motion.
Proceed to checkpoint 3.
Confirmed. Moving through the gate.
Extreme macro movement reveals raised intaglio textures as the camera slides across the notes' surface. Light pulses
Suspended within the archival display, the note is a masterpiece of both artistry and engineering, preserved for study. Readiness meets elegance. The finished notes are transported in high-security transparent trays, ensuring their integrity is preserved throughout the process.
All crates secured on Transport 3.
Acknowledged. Rolling now.